Welcome back viewer. To active your Windows, follow me. Right click here and use command run. Type SLUI, enter. Windows activation, verified publisher. Do you want to allow this app to make sense your device? Yes. This is the form of providing product key. Here your license key should be placed and click next. Click on next. Activation Windows. By activating Windows you get the best experience free from entrepreneurs Ocean. Now active. Unable to active Windows. We can't reach critical Windows service. Make sure connect the internet. Wait. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Wait few minutes and try activation again. So try to by connecting Windows. You should provide legal information to active here. Thank you here. Don't forget to share your opinion.